Are you ready to learn some manners? Huh? To learn some manners? We're picking up Gunner. Gunner's a Vizsla. He's a year old. He has a very strong hunting instinct. So he doesn't come back when called. He pulls very hard on the leash. Also likes to steal food from time to time. It's very sweet, but he has no idea that what personal space is. Last time I went over, he almost knocked me off my feet because he came running through the door and jumped on me so hard. They're gonna do the 6-day boot camp. So the 6-day boot camp, it's everything I do is individually for every dog, just because every dog is different. So when people ask me what do I teach the dog, I always tell them I teach him manners. To go to his bed when told, so that they have the option of sending him away when they want to do something on their own. Yeah, I want to get him off-leash trained, like I do with every dog. I like them all off-leash just because it makes life a lot easier if you don't have to worry about your dog running out, running away, and you can exercise them a lot easier. I usually have 2 in training every week, and I like to take them. I take one dog, and then 3 days later I take the other dog. When the first dog knows the rules and is ready to be off leash, they like to teach the new ones. It always comes down to teaching the owner. Dogs can learn so quickly, but I have to teach you at the end. Let's see if Gunner's ready for us.
Sounds good. All right, let's do it.
Yep, open the door, pass it over here. Don't jump on. Yeah. There you go. Alright, so yeah, definitely something you want to fix. So he's a little bit more polite with you people.
A little bit excited, huh?
Hey, shh. Oh, that's a little bit louder. That's better. That's better. Yeah, I know. I remember that. He's like, oh, now I remember. All right, Gunner, you ready? Are you ready to learn some manners? Huh? To learn some manners? There's your hand jump. I'm not gonna work with him now. I want to show what he would do, you know, with the pulling and stuff. So. Good boy, look at you. Well, we saw he likes to jump. So
He loves to jump and sniff around and do all kind of things. Definitely out of control.
yeah, but happy.
But
He's
happy.
very happy doing
Not
it.
agree.
I mean, he's a perfect candidate for the boot camp.
Obviously food driven.
He's very food driven, yeah. Now definitely need to get his energy out, because a big yard, yeah, they have a huge yard, but it's still just a yard. So it's like kind of like reading the same newspaper every day for them, because there's always the same smell. So he's probably gonna need, I think probably day 3 or 4 he'll be off leash, just because his nose is so strong. I can tell he's a little bit nervous right now about the situation. He definitely has no aggression issues, or they're not threatened by him. but they don't like his excitement level. That's why they're barking and kind of showing like, hey, we're not really happy with the way you're acting right now. Yeah, right now they're friendly because they don't see no threat in him. But yeah, the barking.
Got it.
Well, Jasmine likes to bark because she is mostly deaf. Yes. Lila. So Lila's my alpha who likes to handle dogs that are too excited. She sounds scary, but she has never bitten another dog or anything. She just likes to put them a little bit in their place. The dog with good social skills would have stopped right now and would them just so they could sniff him. But because he's way too excited, he's running around like crazy, and that's why they're gonna, you know, chase him a little bit, and then he does not get accepted right away. Well, I think it went good. He was just like I expected it to be, and I'm excited to see where, you know, what I can do with him. Calm him down and work with him, teach him some manners. You know, I don't want to take his personality. I don't do that. I just want to, you know, want for him to learn to control this happiness a little bit. Now, when he first came in, how he just was so happy that the other dogs, you know, didn't right away accept them, you know, which is sad because all he wants is he wants to make friends and stuff, but he doesn't really know how to yet. So I just want to show him, you know, by meeting a lot of dogs, hey, this is the way you do it. Yep, on Monday we're gonna do a little, you know, tune and see how what he learned so far, and we're gonna yeah, just show what he's learned in the next 3 days. Maybe he's off leash already, maybe not. We know he has a strong nose, so he might need till day 4. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how he does in the next few days.